Hi, I'm Jason Matthews, owner of Matthews Painting Company near Warsaw, Indiana. We continue our tutorial videos that we show each new employee who we train to be professional painters. Today we're simply going to show you how we like to fold up drop cloths so that we can get a lot of them in our vans at the end of the jobs. So typically we would have shaken this drop cloth out. We like to do that in the winter in the shop you're actually standing in, especially when it's 20 below. Or we do it in our driveway or out back, making sure we pick up the paint chips and sweep those up. If we ever do those out in the street or something like that, that is near one of our property owners' homes, we always make sure we sweep up any debris when we're done. So we're going to show you the example on how we like to fold up drop cloths. We grab the two corners and step all the way back, if you could please, keep going, and you try to get it as tight as you can. Grabbing the other end, keeping it really tight. That's the important part, is keeping the drop cloth tight so that your corners can come together. Going to fold it yet a third time. We'll lay it down. Go ahead and bring your end in. You bring about halfway. We'll bring the other end up and over that. The camera could kind of come in close. And as you can see, that folds up real nicely. And we have that large drop cloth in just a small square. Or I guess that's a rectangle. I didn't learn my shapes when I was a kid. I'm Jason with Matthews Painting. Feel free to visit our website at matthewspainting.com. Or if you like this video, hit like and like our YouTube channel as well.